Hi, I'm Dennis Wade with the Storage Visions Conference in Las Vegas, Nevada, associated with the Consumer Electronics Show of 2013. And I have with me today Jeff Greenwald, and Jeff is with Hitachi Data Systems. They're one of our prime contributors to the conference. They're also one of the large companies in terms of supplying tape device systems, devices for the high-tech industry and for the explosion of data and where data is going in the future. And I'd like Jeff to talk to you a little bit about what their systems are, where they see the future going, and some of the technology that they're offering to the consumer world. Jeff?
Good afternoon, Dennis, and thank you very much for having us here at Storage Visions. Hitachi Data Systems is a provider and manufacturer of high-performance storage systems. Our team focuses on the media, communications, and entertainment market. We are announcing that we have just installed our 1,000th customer. That's pretty cool. We sell globally. We sell in over 100 countries, and we primarily focus on post-production houses, movie studios, production houses. We also work with broadcasters, and in addition, we work with telecoms. So this is a part of the marketplace that already, as Gartner has said, is about 15% of the overall IT spend worldwide, and is accelerating. In fact, will approach 17% in the next 4 years in 2016. So this is an awesome market to be a part of, and we provide infrastructure that addresses some of the bottlenecks that are associated with the media workflow. So depending upon the particular applications that your studio or your broadcaster is addressing, issues of huge ingest at scale, transcoding, post-production, rendering, composition, and issues of archiving and media repository, we provide the high-performance infrastructure to deal with those applications, with those very large files that are becoming very predominant with some of the 3D stereoscopic movies that are coming out. And so we're pleased to be part of this activity today, and we look forward to meeting other people in the industry this year at NAB in April. We'll also be at IBC in Amsterdam and at many other conferences. So, Dennis, thanks for having us.
Jeff, as we've seen on a couple panels this morning, the entertainment industry is rather unique in terms of their requirements and what they need. One of the things that's really interesting is they're looking at a 100-year or so storage cycle on data, and they need to have that data available for multiple different things over a period of many years. And one of the problems they've had in the past, because of the obsolete or archaic technology of the 60s and 70s, is that they couldn't record data on one medium and have that medium a lifetime of 50 years, not specifically because of the media, but because the drives that read that media changed so much in that period of time. And I think you're looking at solving some of those problems based on some of the discussions today.
Hitachi is a very large company, and we spend billions of dollars on research. There's about 100 companies that make up the Hitachi Corporation. Our company focuses on server and storage solutions, and our strategy to address this 100-plus year access to the data is to be able to enable access to data and make it independent of both the infrastructure that it lives on as well as the application that created it. Now that's quite an amazing task to do that. Many people are trying to focus on how do you put it on some type of optical drive or some type of product that will live 100 years. We're trying to disaggregate the data from both the application as well as the infrastructure, which solves that problem. But also, and this is the exciting part for end user studios, it also makes the cost very low. Because if you can literally take your data and make it transportable to another cloud provider or to another technology infrastructure, you then can bid it out 50 years or 100 years from now and not be wed to that manufacturer who provided the application software. So we've got some secrets up our sleeves, and we'll be announcing new approaches to this in the coming quarters.
Thanks, Jeff. That's a really